Assalamu alaikum. This is Passionate Dentist, and today I would like to have a quick review of the most important topic of dentistry, that is dental caries. So here we are starting with the outline of the topic. We have definition, types, classification, microbiology, diagnosis, prevention, and treatment. So what is dental caries? Dental caries is a bacterial disease of hard tissues of the teeth characterized by demineralization of inorganic and destruction of the organic substances of the tooth. So we have the types of dental caries: enamel caries, acute caries. Enamel caries are those मोस्ट आउटर सरफेस पे होती हैं, जो कि ओरल कैविटी के अंदर विजिबल होता है। वो सरफेस टूथ का एनामल कहलाता है, जो वाइट सरफेस होता है। और वो कैरीज जो एनामल तक कन्फाइंड होती हैं वो एनामल कैरीज कहलाती हैं। एक्यूट कैरीज होती हैं, सेकेंडरी कैरीज होती हैं। सेकेंडरी कैरीज वो होती हैं जो फिलिंग्स में माइक्रो लीकेज की वजह से बैक्टीरिया ट्रांसपोर्ट होने से हो जाती हैं। अरेस्टेड कैरीज होती हैं। अरेस्टेड लीजन्स जो होते हैं वो कभी प्रोग्रेस नहीं करते, नॉन प्रोग्रेसिव होते हैं, और उनकी डिफ्रेंशिएशन के लिए हम देखते हैं वो स्मूथ होते हैं, शाइनी होते हैं, और प्रोग्रेसिंग कैरीज की तरह उनकी अपीयरेंस नहीं होती। पिट्स एंड फिशर कैरीज होती हैं, रैम्पेंट कैरीज होती हैं, प्रॉक्सिमल सरफेस कैरीज होती हैं। प्रॉक्सिमल सरफेसेस वो होती हैं टूथ की जो इंटरडेंटल सरफेसेस होती हैं, उस पर जो कैरीज होती हैं वो प्रॉक्सिमल सरफेस कैरीज होती हैं। और रूट कैरीज होती हैं जो कि टूथ के रूट सरफेसेस पे होती हैं। So here we have the classification of dental caries. Dental caries is classified by Dr. G.V. Black on the basis of tooth affected and the site of the lesion. He classified dental caries into 6 classes. Class 1 caries affecting the pits and fissures of the occlusal surfaces of the molars and premolars, and occlusal to 2/3 of molars and premolars and lingual part of the anterior teeth. Class 2 caries affecting the proximal surfaces of the molars and premolars. Class 3 caries affecting the proximal surfaces of molars, incisors, and lateral incisors and cuspids without involving the incisal angles. Class 4 caries affecting the proximal surfaces including the incisal angles of the anterior teeth. Class 5 caries affecting the gingival 1/3 of facial or lingual surfaces of anterior or posterior teeth. And the class 6 caries affecting the cusp tips of molars, premolars, and cuspids. So caries is a multifactorial process. As everyone knows that it is here we have a Keys-Jordan diagram which suggests that the factors that are involved in the caries process are plaque and microbes, tooth, diet, and time. So it's the simplified description of the diagram said that dental caries is a result of the interaction of karyogenic oral flora with fermentable dietary carbohydrates on the tooth surface over time. So, however, dental caries onset and activity are in fact much more complex, as not all persons with teeth, biofilm, and who are consuming carbohydrates will have caries over time. ऐसा नहीं है कि हर एक के साथ ही ऐसा होगा. Everyone has different mechanism. So here we have the again moving forward towards the microbiology of the dental caries. So the main culprit, main bacteria, main microorganism of dental caries is Streptococcus mutans, along with the Lactobacillus acidophilus, which provides the environment to caries to progress. And for root caries, we have Actinomyces viscosus. Continuing with the pathological factors of the dental caries, pathological factors are acid producing bacteria, subnormal saliva flow or function, frequent eating, drinking of fermentable carbohydrates, and poor oral hygiene. All causes demineralization and facilitates caries to progress. So, moving forward with the diagnosis of the dental caries, we have multiple methods to diagnose dental caries. Number one, visual tactile method. In visual method, we can visually detect the dental caries, white spot, discoloration, frank cavitation, or with the help of magnification loupes. Tactile examination can be performed by the help of explorer. Findings are binding or catch, softness, or cavitation. The second method to diagnose dental caries are radiographs. Radiographs also helps in the in determining the depth of the dental caries or dental lesion. Another, we have dyes for dental caries detection, selectively complex with the carious structure of tooth and disclose it with the help of fluorescence. Dyes, we have available dyes are Procyon, Calcine, Brilliant Blue, etc. So here we have the protective factors of dental caries, that are saliva flow and components, remineralization with fluoride, calcium and phosphate, good oral hygiene, strategies that maintain a healthy microbiome, probiotics, prebiotics, arginine, pH modifiers, strategies that modulates a dysbiotic microbiome, that is silver, peptides, tin, antimicrobials. सो इस तरह रीमिनरलाइजेशन होती रहेगी और केरीज डेवलप नहीं होंगी. प्रिवेंशन में हमारे पास है पेशेंट्स एजुकेशन है, यूज़ ऑफ डेंटल फ्लोराइड्स, अगेन वही बात आ गई. सीलेंट्स हम कर सकते हैं टूथ रेजिस्टेंस को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. मैकेनिकल मेथड्स में प्लाक कंट्रोल के लिए वी हैव ब्रशिंग, डेंटिफिस, फ्लॉसिंग एंड डेंटल प्रोफाइलैक्सिस हैं. केमिकल मेथड्स टू प्रिवेंट प्लाक इज़ यूजिंग माउथ वॉश दैट कंटेन क्लोरहेक्सिजीन एंड विटामिन के. डाइटरी मॉडिफिकेशंस कर सकते हैं, लो शुगर इनटेक, लेस स्टिकी फूड, इन बिटवीन मील स्नैकिंग टाइम जो है वो हम रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. So ending the topic with treatment of dental caries, that is dental caries is reversible sometimes at a very early stage with the help of mineral content present in saliva and from toothpaste that contains fluoride. Some other options of the dental treatment for dental caries are fillings, root canals and crowns. So here we have discussed the prevention, definition, types, classification, microbiology, diagnosis and prevention and treatment of the dental caries. So if you guys like my video, please like or share or subscribe. Keep supporting, keep sharing. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.